That's not good at start. Guess she needs a little choke. It's still cold. Well, how's it going out there, folks? I know I haven't been posting a whole lot of videos lately because it's been so stinking cold. We had a lot of snow. Well, not a lot of snow, but you know, quite a few days with snow. I'm not talking feet. Sometimes even just a little dusting. I'm not gonna get out and ride in that. Sorry. Not me. Not my thing. But I don't really mind the cold so much. I can dress for that. The bike doesn't really care about that. But when the road is icy or covered in snow, well, you know what? Let's go straight here. If the road is icy and covered in snow and there's zero traction or next to none, yeah, I'm not going to take that risk. That's just, you know, I mean, it's all about risk assessment, right? When you think about it, every time you go out on the road, whether it's in a car or a motorcycle, you're taking a bit of a risk. And if you can mitigate as many of those risks as possible, then your chances of coming out the other side are much better. She was checking us out. Well, not me per se, but you know, she was checking out me Thruxton. Yaha! The British custom mufflers. Yeah. Look at that beautiful sunny blue sky. Got some wispy clouds. It's pretty nice. I can't believe no one else is out riding. Well, I know Mrs. Moto Cafe is out riding somewhere. She wanted to go her own way, which is fine. Don't mind at all. She likes the peace and tranquility of just going out, moseying around. Hey, I get that. That's what I like too. We do ride together on occasion. There's the horseshoe. Riding along on the Ohio State University campus. Well, a little bit of it, kind of on the fringe. I can't remember if I set my clock or not. It shows 4:21. See, it's spring. We did the spring 4. Does that mean it's really 5:21? No. Or did it already go forward? And we're actually behind now. It's 3:21. Maybe it is. I don't know. Daylight savings is the dumbest thing ever. And a long list of dumb things. That's right at the top. Man, I love how smooth this GoPro Hero 6 is. I tell you what, the image stabilization on this thing just blows me away every time I see it. It's just like gliding, you know. I mean, look, you can see the kind of the balance, you see the bouncing of the little fly screen there and the gauges, so you know the bike's moving around. You can tell that it's, you know, kind of getting bounced, but yet the image is just like glide. Man, these tires just like follow every little tar snake and rut and anything in the road at all. I hate them. These are the original, what are they, Metzler laser something or another's, came on this bike. They suck. Any little thing on the road, the front tire's like, oh, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna go there. No, just go straight. Don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Just keep going. A little later this spring or maybe this summer, I'm gonna definitely get some new tires. I think I've got my eye on the, what are they called? The Michelin or something active. It's kind of what I'm leaning toward. that's what I'm gonna get. They have pretty good reviews as far as grip, wet and dry grip, you know, longevity. So they should last a while. They're not gonna wear out super fast. These only have, what do I have on here? 3,700 miles. So definitely looking forward to getting those Michelin, what are they, road active or ride active, proactive. Oh, it's cold with the visor up. Yikes. Anyhow, we'll do a little review on those things once I get them, see how we like them. I'm sure that I could put, like, you know, an old worn out shoe leather on here and it'd be better than what these things are. Hello. Gotta stop for pedestrians. See right there, yield to pedestrians when they're using the crosswalk. That's a pretty good rule. Aha, look at the puppies. Little doggies out for a walk on the sunshiny day. Hey, and a free shop vac. Strap that bad boy onto the back. Yeah, I don't think so. That's a tool, and tool is something you got to do work with. I'd just soon be out riding. Plus I already have a shop vac, so, you know, don't need another one. Man, I've seen no other bikes out today. What is going on with you people? It's not that cold out. It's above freezing. It's dry. It's sunny. What more do you want? Holy mackerel, it's nice out. I'm not saying I'd want to be like riding on the freeway for 3 hours. But for out cruising around, having some fun, getting a little fresh air, yeah. Michelin Road Active, that's what they're called. I think that's it. I knew I'd eventually think of it. I think Michelin Road Active is what I was looking at. They're not the most expensive tire, but they're not the cheapest tire either. I think they're just good all-around tires. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not racing, I'm not touring. Just out cruising around. Having some fun on my Triumph Thruxton. Well, that about wraps up another edition of Moto Cafe. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Let me know you're out there. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. I'll go through and read them, respond to them as quickly as I can. I love hearing feedback from you guys, so keep it coming. And until next time, this is Moto Cafe.